people. Welcome to episode 25 of Credit 101. My name is Rickita. So I want to talk to you guys about getting free monitoring for military service members. So if you guys are in the military, you active duty, then definitely listen up because I want to teach you guys how you can get the free credit monitoring. So the FCRA requires that all three credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, actually offer this to you guys for free. Now, you have to make sure that you're an active duty military service member to be able to get this. If you're not, then you're not able to get it. But there is an exception. If you guys are in the National Guard, then you're able to get a copy of your credit reports and scores. And not only do you get this, you're also going to get notifications. So say if you do have something going on your credit, they'll be able to notify you about these different things. So this includes notifications. So keep that in mind. Also, you can place a freeze on your credit reports. Everybody can technically place a freeze on your credit reports, but this is something I'm just telling you guys about. So if you're not in the military, you're just watching this because you want to learn, everybody can place a freeze. You can call the credit bureaus and tell them to place a freeze. Experian, through the app, you can place a freeze right there, then and there. I told you guys about Aura. You can place a freeze on Experian right then and there. Equifax online, TransUnion online, you can place freeze. But make sure you guys, if you're out and about, you're not here, you're basically on duty or you're doing something, make sure you guys place a freeze because you do not want to have any fraud. And then also, if you guys want to avoid extra fraud, make sure you let them know. You can put comments on there and say, hey, I'm on active duty, I'm not applying for credit. That way that they'll see that they're not going to extend credit. You can always take this off, but you want to make sure you put an active duty alert on there, especially if you're not applying for anything, just to make sure that you're not getting anything. Now, you want to make sure that you continue to review your credit reports because if anything come up, you want to be able to see it right away. You want to avoid fraud. Sometimes you may see, oh, wait, I got a new credit card, I didn't apply for this. You can stop it right then and there instead of not looking, and in 2 years you find out that you got a credit card, they maxed it out, they didn't pay it, and now it's a collection. So you got to charge off and collection. So make sure you guys check these different things out. Now, we're going to go into episode 26, where I'm going to talk about how you can do a free FICO simulator. So with this simulator, you can basically simulate what your credit score is for FICO. So let's go ahead and check that out.